Hello everyone, this is Dr. Valarrmathi from Protons Academy. Today I am going to speak to you on one important habit installation protocol that could change anything in your life. And what is that anything is up to you to decide. It can be your health, it can be your relationship with your partner, it can be your job change, or it can be something that you're aiming for some financial success in life. Whatever it may be, all that you have to do it is what decide on what that you want to really wanted to achieve in the next 66 days and manifest on that dream for at least 66 days consistently every day. And you just got to spend at least 5 to 10 minutes thinking about the process, writing about the process, visualizing that process, and being thankful to the universe for making that process happen in your life. See, it can be anything. It can be like, getting on to a vegetable meal every day, or it can be taking a walk for at least 2 to 3 kilometers every day. Or it can be drinking a turmeric water in the early morning in an empty stomach, or it can be writing up an article and developing your article skills. It can be anything. All you have to do is you have to spend 5 to 10 minutes every day for the next 66 days in your life and consistently make this habit installation protocol. This 66 days habit installation protocol is a worked out theory. It is being tested across the world. The first 22 days of implementing this process will definitely be very hard to you, that your mind will do, it will give all excuses for you not doing that particular job. And the next 26 days your mind will slowly start changing, and it will be helping you to do achieving that process. And the last 22 days you're already into the habit of installing that, and it has already happened in your life. And after 66 days that has already achieved and it has started in your life. So now decide on what you really wanted and try out this for the next 66 days in your life. All the best. Stay inspired.